Hey Wubby, hey chat. If you guys are watching this, this is my drawing submission for Wubby's body. He has lost it, and this is his new body that I've created for him. I've been practicing drawing for the past 6 months. I've been drawing every single day, and we just reached 180 days just a couple days ago, and it just so happens that Wubby posted this competition here, so I attempted to give him a new body, one that I feel like he, feels comfortable in. We could definitely tell this is definitely the energy that Wubby gives off, and really, it's truly inspiring that he's been working out so hard. He really hides it well when he's in the green screen suit, so that's really cool. It really helps us to not feel so bad. But I hope you guys enjoyed this very, very quick run through of the drawing. If this isn't being played on stream, that's okay too. It'll be submitted to the subreddit, so thank you guys all for watching. If you guys are interested in following more of my drawing, you can check out the YouTube channel here over at youtube.com/quickstero. We'll be submitting more of that type of stuff there. But I will see you guys. I'll let the music play out and finish up the drawing. Good luck to everyone else who submitted. Shout out to the community. I've been largely a lurker, and I will hopefully hear from you guys soon.